Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. So we are going to discuss about the limit function in a PySpark. So we have a table called orders table. Using the orders table, we are going to create a data frame. The data frame name is orders underscore df data frame. So using this data frame, right, we can display the data by using the show function. So the data will be displayed like a tables and which contains columns and rows. So here, right, we are going to apply the limit function to limit the number of rows. Let's say we don't want each and every row, we need only 5 rows. Using the dot limit of 5, so we can display only 5 rows from a table. Let me execute the run cell again, and this is going to restrict only to 5 rows, and we can keep even only one row also. Let me give one, and a row will be displayed from a table. So that's how we can restrict the number of rows from a table using the limit function. If at all the data is very huge and we don't want each and every record to be displayed in the notebook page. That's it guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.